Hey, gearheads and adventurers! Welcome back. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic for any ATV owner: how to safely and securely transport your machine on a trailer. A properly secured ATV isn't just about protecting your ride, it's about road safety for everyone. We're aiming for a rock-solid setup that will handle highway speeds and bumpy back roads without a hitch. By the end of this video, you'll know the essential steps for zero-stress hauling. Let's dive into the 4 main stages of safe ATV transport, starting with preparation. Before you even think about loading, we need a pre-trip inspection. First, the trailer. Check the tire pressure. Low pressure can cause sway. Inspect the lug nuts and ensure all trailer lights and signals are working. It's easy to overlook, but vital for safety. Next, the ATV itself. Remove any loose items that could fly off during transport, like gas cans, tools, or weak accessories. Also, check your tie-down points. Know exactly where you'll attach your straps: the frame, solid axles, or dedicated tie-down loops. Avoid securing to plastic components or handlebars, as they can bend or break. A good preparation saves headache later. Finally, ensure your towing vehicle is properly rated to handle the weight of the trailer and the ATV combined. Now, for the loading. This is where most accidents happen, so slow and steady wins the race. You need quality, rated loading ramps. Ensure they are wide enough for your tires and secured firmly to the trailer deck to prevent slippage. The angle should be as shallow as possible. If necessary, back your tow vehicle into a ditch or incline to reduce the ramp angle. Drive the ATV up slowly, keeping your weight centered. Do not load at an angle. Always drive straight up. Once on the trailer, drive forward enough to ensure proper tongue weight. Generally, about 60% of the load should be forward of the axle. Engage the parking brake on the ATV and, if possible, place it in gear for extra security. Securing is the most critical step. We are going to use a minimum of 4 heavy-duty ratchet straps. Not bungee cords, not cheap ropes. Ratchet straps are non-negotiable. Our goal is compression and triangulation. The front. Attach the front straps to solid frame points on the ATV and secure them low on the trailer frame. You want to pull the ATV down and slightly forward. Cinch them tight, compressing the suspension by about half its travel. This prevents the ATV from bouncing and loosening the straps. The rear. The rear straps are crucial for preventing lateral and backward movement. Attach them to the rear frame or axle. We are going to use an X pattern here. Run the strap from the left side of the ATV to the right side of the trailer frame, and vice versa. This triangulation locks the machine in place against side-to-side shift. The cinch. Tighten all 4 straps until the ATV is visibly compressed and absolutely cannot move when you push it. Remember, straps will loosen slightly during travel, so start tight. Tuck away any excess strap length to prevent them from flapping in the wind. The final step, the shake test and the 10-mile check. After securing, physically shake the ATV. If it moves, you need more tension or better strap placement. Before hitting the highway, drive 10 miles, pull over safely, and check every strap. They will likely need a quick retightening. This simple check is a game changer for long trips. That's it. Your ATV is now ready for a safe journey. Transporting an ATV doesn't have to be stressful. Follow these steps and you'll be hitting the trails in no time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.